This is the biggest planet the Sun ever built, and it is off its lane, falling inward, scattering whole young worlds ahead of it like gravel. Earth exists because this wrecking ball turned around. Rewind to the very beginning. The Sun has just lit. Everything else is a flat disk of dust and gravel, circling in lanes. Where does the first planet grow? Far out, past the snow line, the distance where sunlight gives up, and water freezes onto dust. Out there, the building material is icy, sticky, and rich. One seed wins the whole game. It grabs gas faster than gas can escape, and becomes Jupiter. Put every other planet the Sun would ever own on one side of a scale. Jupiter alone outweighs them, more than twice over. 318 Earths in one body. And it is fast. Line up 11 Earths, edge to edge. That is one Jupiter, side to side. Yet this monster finishes a full day in under 10 hours. You are watching that speed right now. Those stripes are not paint. They are clouds smeared into hoops by the spin. Even the great storm in its side is wider than our whole planet, and the spin carries it around like a leaf on a wheel. Therefore, trouble. A planet that big does not just sit in the disk, it drags on it, and the disk drags back. Jupiter's lane fails. It begins to fall toward the Sun, lane by lane, flinging the gravel of unbuilt worlds aside as it comes. It falls for 100,000 years, down to where Mars drives today. How could anyone know that? Because the crime scene is still out there. Mars is half Earth's width and 1/10 its weight, a world built from crumbs. The wrecking ball swept its lane nearly bare. The next lane in was ours. Then the disk builds a second giant, Saturn, smaller, lighter, and falling on the same current, faster. It catches up, and the two lock into a rhythm. 3 laps for Jupiter, to every 2 for Saturn. Locked together, they stop falling. The current under them reverses, and the pair sail back out, a move astronomers call the Grand Tack, a sailing ship's turn against the wind. The wrecking ball leaves our lane untouched, barely. Was the near miss rare? Look at other stars. In system after system, we find a hot Jupiter, a giant parked closer to its star than Mercury, its whole year 4 days long. That is what staying looks like. Nobody turned back, and nothing small survives inside. Our inner lanes are strangely, luckily clean, and the giant left a parting gift. On its way out, its pull slung millions of icy stones sunward, stones borne past the snow line, wet by construction, falling for ages toward the dry inner worlds. Every ocean Earth will ever have may be freight, thrown by the wrecking ball on its way out the door. The giant that opened this chapter falling is parked now, far out, right where it stopped. It came within 1 lane of eating ours. Instead, it cleared it, guarded it, and watered it. Behind its back, the leftover gravel gathers into worlds. One of them is Earth. The calendar can begin. Next time, with the lanes finally clear, 2 young worlds are left sharing one of them. Neither knows it yet. Earth's story starts before Earth exists. The rest of this arc, the birth of a planet, is on the playlist.